Hello, I'm David. I teach English Received Pronunciation, as in British English. Recently, I've created my own audio guide to help people learn English pronunciation. The guide is made up of several lessons, and in each lesson I compare similar sounds, teaching you how to make the correct mouth shape for each sound. In the following lesson, you'll learn how to make the difference between o as in dog and or as in door. I hope you find it useful. Keep practicing.
Lesson 8. The difference between o as in dog and or as in door.
You will already have listened to Lesson 5, the difference between O as in boat and or as in door. In this lesson, you will hear the difference between o as in dog and or as in door. First, o as in dog. O, o, o. O is a short vowel. The lips are forward slightly but relaxed. The jaw is open fairly wide. The back of the tongue is raised about halfway. The sound is formed at the back of the mouth. Ah, ah, ah. Dog,
Dog, dog, dog. Box. Wrong. Off. Not. Softly. Wander. Officer. Quantity. Popular. Shops. Colin tore his socks when climbing on the rocks. Sue offered to take John along the road to the shops. A horrible octopus lived at the bottom of the pond. Oscar sold a lot of hot dogs at the concert.
Now or, as in door. Or, or, or. Or is a long vowel. Begin with the shape for o. The lips slightly forward, slightly rounded and held firmly, the tongue raised at the back of the mouth. Keep the lips as they are and drop the jaw, as in the R sound, but not quite as far. Lower the tip of the tongue. Or, or, or. Door,
Door. 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 Full. Short. Walk. Straw. Autumn. Pause. All. Enormous. Report. Daughter. The orchestra enjoyed the applause of the enormous audience. The author thought he ought to have written more. It was important that he taught Year 4 during the autumn. She paused for a fourth time before speaking about the law.
Now the difference between the two sounds. O is a short vowel formed at the back of the mouth. O is a long vowel formed at the front of the mouth in which the jaw drops. O, or, o, or, o, or, dot, daughter, cot, court, long, launch. What was the cost of the straw you ordered? That's not the quantity of pork I ordered from Robert. Tom was popular on all the wards at the hospital. If you'd like to learn more about English pronunciation, you might like to watch my other videos. Alternatively, you can listen to my audio guide, English Pronunciation, a Clear and Simple Guide, which is available to download from Amazon or iTunes, either in 2 parts or as single tracks. Simply follow the link below.